Hey guys, what is up? This is That Guy Country again, and I gotta say, it's raining like no fucking tomorrow. Horseshoes and hand grenades and full-on cows. I mean, goddamn. All the streets are flooded everywhere, no matter where you go. Just nothing but standing water at this point. I'm fixing to go through my neighborhood here in a little bit. I'm gonna fill up on some gas because I'm running quite a bit low. And we're going to see just how flooded it is. Just got off work and luckily just in time. Unfortunately, I had to run out of the truck and then run inside and then run back to my truck. This is the point when you're driving, you can't even see shit. Oh Lord, I hope I make it. Gaslight's gonna come on any minute now. Alright, we're moving. We're gonna be going down Warwick Boulevard. Oh yeah, flooded like a motherfucker. Holy shit. Alright, so as you can see, it is up past the curb at this point.